If you're thinking about upgrading your home with new windows, you've probably come across Renewal by Andersen. But with so many window replacement options out there, it can be tough to know which one is the best option for your home and budget. Maybe you're worried about the cost, the installation process, or just figuring out if the investment is really worth it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing my honest experience with Renewal by Andersen. I'll be talking about everything you need to know, including what the process was like from the initial consultation to the final installation, and what you can expect if you're considering them for your own home. For me, getting new windows was more than just about looks. It really made a difference in how comfortable my home felt and even lowered my energy bills. So I want to help you figure out if Renewal by Andersen could do the same for you. And if you're thinking about going with Renewal by Andersen, I've added an affiliate link in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, and it might even get you a little discount. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so Renewal by Andersen is actually part of the same company that's been making windows and doors for over 120 years, which is Andersen Corporation. But while Andersen does a bit of everything, Renewal by Andersen focuses only on replacing windows and doors. They're known for offering a variety of window styles and options, which is great if you want something unique or specific for your home. They started their first location in Minnesota back in 1995, and now they've got over 100 locations across the United States, making them one of the biggest names in window replacements today. And you also get to choose from over 35 different window styles, which I think is pretty impressive. So whether you're looking for something classic like double hung windows or want to go for something a bit more unique, they've got you covered. Now, if you're wondering about customization, you can choose the type of glass you want, the frame material, the hardware, and you can even add insect screens if you need them. So they really make it easy to find something that fits your home style and your personal taste. On top of that, all of their windows are designed to be energy efficient, which means they can help keep your home comfortable and potentially lower your energy bills. So if you're looking for variety and want to customize the look of your windows, they offer a lot of flexibility. Now, the installation process is pretty simple. Once you decide to go with them, they start by setting up an in-home consultation. This is where someone from their team comes over and takes all the measurements and helps you pick out the right windows for your space. And don't worry, they make it easy to understand what would work best for your home. After that, they'll custom make your windows to fit perfectly. And once they're ready, their professional installers come in and handle everything for you, from removing the old windows to installing the new ones. They make sure everything is done right and fits just how it should. Besides that, I really liked that they clean up after themselves, so you're not left with a huge mess to deal with, which we all know most teams do, as the whole idea is to make the process as smooth and hassle-free as possible for you. Also, if you're like me, you'll appreciate not having to deal with multiple contractors or do any of the heavy lifting yourself. That being said, let's get into their plans and pricing. Unlike some other companies, they don't have set prices listed on their website. This is because every window and door is custom made to fit your home perfectly, so the cost can vary quite a bit depending on what you're looking for. But after your consultation, they'll give you a customized quote based on the windows and doors you've selected. And to be honest, Renewal by Andersen isn't known for being the cheapest option out there, as they focus on quality, energy efficiency, and a hassle-free experience from start to finish. But they do offer financing options, which can help spread out the cost over time, making it more manageable. And even though there's no set prices, a lot of customers have said that they end up spending anywhere from a few $1,000s for a small project to tens of thousands for larger homes or more extensive replacements. It really all depends on the size of your home, the type, and the number of windows or doors, and the custom options that you choose. So if you're interested in moving forward, the best thing to do is to schedule that free consultation to get a specific quote for your project. Just keep in mind that while it might be a bigger investment upfront, many customers find that the energy savings and added comfort make it worth it in the long run. And again, if you're thinking about going with Renewal by Andersen, I've added an affiliate link in the description below that you can check out. Moving on, I'm pretty sure you want to know about their warranty and customer service. So Renewal by Andersen offers a pretty solid warranty package. Their windows come with a 20-year limited warranty on glass and a 10-year limited warranty on non-glass parts, which covers things like the frame and hardware. This means if something goes wrong, you're covered for a good amount of time. On top of that, they also offer a 2-year limited warranty on the installation. So if there's any issues with how the windows were installed, they'll come out and fix it without charging you any extra. I found this really reassuring, especially knowing that the company stands behind their work. And as far as customer support, they have a dedicated team you can reach out to if you have any questions or problems. And from my experience, they were pretty responsive and helpful, which is always a plus when you're making a big investment like this. And I have to say, the entire process right from the start was pretty smooth. The initial consultation was easy. They came over, took all the measurements, and walked me through the different options. And I liked that they took the time to explain everything in a way that made sense, without feeling rushed or pressured. And when it came to the installation, I have to say I was really impressed. The installers were professional, showed up on time, and got right to work. They were careful with everything, making sure not to damage any of the surrounding areas, and they cleaned up afterward, which was a huge help for me. And what stood out to me most was how much of a difference the new windows made. My home felt more comfortable almost immediately, and I noticed a change in my energy bills too, because the heating and cooling weren't working as hard. It was a big relief, especially knowing that I made a good investment in my home. Overall, I had a great experience with Renewal by Andersen. The quality of the windows and the peace of mind that came from knowing the job was done right made the money well spent. So to wrap up, would I recommend Renewal by Andersen? Absolutely. It turned out to be a great choice. From the easy consultation process to the high quality installation, everything felt professional and well handled. The quality, comfort, and energy efficiency made it worth the investment for me. So if you're looking for new windows or doors and want a company that handles everything from start to finish, Renewal by Andersen could be a great option for you too. Just keep in mind that the prices can vary depending on your choices. So it's a good idea to take advantage of their free consultation to get a clear idea of the price. Anyway, so that's all for this review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you're thinking about going with Renewal by Andersen, I've added an affiliate link in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, and it might even get you a little discount. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.